All right, well, there are only three things you need to know about this next song. Thing one is that 100 years ago, everybody wore hats. You know, if you've ever seen those movies where there's a scene that takes place in an old movie theater or a vaudeville show, and there's a card that goes up and says, "Please remove your hats," everybody wore them. Men's hats, boring. Women's hats, well, the more festive the woman, the more elaborate her hat. Every Saturday, Willie got his pay. Then he'd call on Nell. Trousers neatly pressed, nice white vest, buttonhole bouquet as well. On Nellie's little hat there was a little bird. That bird knew a good many things, it did it upon my word. And in its quiet way, it had a lot to say as the lovers strolled along. "I will be your little honey, I will promise that," said Nellie as she rolled her dreamy eyes. "It's a shame to take the money," said the bird on Nellie's hat. Last night she said the same to Johnny Wise. Then to Nellie, Willie whispered as they fondly kissed, "I'll bet you were never kissed like that." "Well, they don't know Nellie like I do," said the saucy little bird on Nellie's hat. Picture the romantic scene, can't you? In a shady nook by a quiet brook, Nell and Willie fish. Lips together meet in kisses sweet. Love is such a dainty dish. And Nellie said to Will such pretty things galore. But everything that Nellie said the bird had heard before. And as he took her hand and said, "I love grand," Nellie winked the other eye. "Now I haven't caught your fish, what do you think of that?" said Nellie with the most bewitching look. "You can bet she knows her business," said the bird on Nellie's hat. "And Willie is the fish she's gonna hook." "Oh, it's 12 o'clock," said Willie as he walked her home. "I'll bet you're never out as late as that." "Well, they don't know Nellie like I do," said the saucy little bird on Nellie's hat. Well, now I think we know where this little three-act play is going at this point, don't we? Autumn came along, love's young dream all wrong. Will goes round to call. Servant with a grin said she's not in. Nellie's gone away, that's all. Poor Willie's heart was broke, his life seemed all in vain, until upon Fifth Avenue he met his love again. Said he, we meet once more, said she loves dream as o'er, but we can be real good friends. And I'll keep your presents, honey, just for old time's sake, said Nellie as she rolled those dreamy eyes. She has fixed him good and plenty, said the bird on Nellie's hat. "Oh, Willie, Willie, when will you be wise?" "Well, but what about the diamond engagement ring?" "Of course," said Willie, "you'll return me that." "Nellie don't know Nellie like I do," said the saucy little bird on Nellie's hat.